fellow Lego campers. We're brainstorming between myself and Compound and his sister, which I don't remember what her name is, of some ideas for you all to play with to do Legos and stuff. We've done a couple already. This one I would like for you to see you all do and give you an overnight type thing to think about. It's going to be a 100 Lego part challenge. And what that means is I want you to go in your stash of Legos, count out 100 Legos, and I'll show you what you want to do. So I want pieces that can be 1x2, 2x4s, it can be 1x3s. And if you have the technique pieces, you can use the bricks with the board, the holes in them. You can use the axles. You can use the bigger bricks. Keep coming, Compound. You can use your flats, various sizes of flats and stuff. And as you come on down over here, you can even consider your different wheel loads and your axles and stuff. But what it's going to be is 100 parts specifically. All right, count out 100 of these little things. 100 miscellaneous. Come up with a collection, 100 different parts. All right, and then when you come up with 100 parts, put everything else away. So all you have is your 100 parts. No more, no less. And take those 100 parts. This is considered a part now, okay? And if you had that turntable a minute ago, that's technically two pieces because you got the base and the turn part. And we'll show you what I'm referring to here. All right, as you can see there in the video, that little turntable, that's considered two parts because it moves. If you got a hinge, it's two parts, wherever it flexes, okay? So be careful of that when you're counting your parts out. See, there's the two parts of the turntable, two different pieces. That's considered two parts of the Lego when you count them. So, you get 100 parts. So if you got a nice base plate, one piece. All right, and then take your parts, come up with something. Use your imagination, be very creative, and see what you can build out of nothing but those 100 pieces. Don't go back and grab, I want some more of these parts. Nope, too bad, so sad. I want you to use just strictly the parts you pull out with and see what you can come with. So we tried to do an actual live check-in with you all. Hopefully you all had a chance to come up with this. And I'd love to see what you all end up designing. All right, I'll check in with you all later. See ya.